Cracker and Orin have a new hiding spot from the rain. Behind these nanditas and under the ledge. Look at this. Can you see them? I cleaned out a shed a couple weeks ago, and they said I could have everything in the shed. And I came across an old jar of pennies. I just bought it to Coinstar and it was 34 bucks. That's very helpful right now. Joe's been climbing through the back glass of my truck and sleeping on the driver's side. I'm gonna see if I can catch him. Okay, let's see if he's in there. Lee wants to rub on this rag, I don't know. But I came out here to donate some shoes. And Lee seems to be fascinated with this guy. I better leave him here. Parade leftovers, beads and candy. Lee's trying to eat all the Snickers. I can't believe they're leaving all this candy behind. He better not have that sugar. He's already crazy. I don't want to see him crazy plus sugar. Look at this. They're still scared of Lee. I think I may have messed up. I left Lee inside to go run some errands. And there's chicken on the table. I think he's going to get into it. I hope not. I hope not. I think it's going to be bad news. Yeah, he got it. He got it. Oh my gosh. What'd he do with it? What did he do with it? Well, it's a mystery right now. The chicken is gone and I can't find it. Huh. Where did the chicken go? This is crazy, man. My house is... It's like a bomb went off in my house. Well, this is a mystery. The disappearing chicken. Where is the chicken? Huh. There. Oh my God. He ate the whole thing. Oh my God. Oh, he is going to be sick. 7 pieces of fried chicken. Lee! Not a bone left. Not a part of a bone left. Why'd you do it to me, man? What am I supposed to eat? Oh my God. His stomach is going to be a mess. Yeah, my floors are a mess because this whole house was full of carpet and I'm on bare concrete with no finish on it. I took up the carpet and the tiles, so I'm walking around with a bare floor. You know what? I can't be mad at him. I just can't. Part of me wants to, but what good will that do? Well, it looks like this is going to be my supper tonight. Or something like this or this. Oh my gosh. Look how bloated you are. You're going to get sick all over the place. I'm 50% pissed off and 50% amused. But it hit me halfway through my errands that if he smells that chicken up here, it's a goner.